Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the government universities recruitment notification, either for the assistant professor as well as the non-teaching vacancies also I am going to show you. And here the total 4 different government colleges recruitment notifications we are going to see in this video, guys. And I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the teaching side or also the non-teaching side in the government universities. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the 4 different government colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So here the first one we are going to see Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification, that is appointment notification and applications invited for the post of assistant professor in the departments of civil engineering, aeronautical, electrical and electronics, mathematics, humanities and social sciences. And I will show you the eligibility qualifications, guys. So before that one, the applications can also be obtained from the office of the principal, okay, by producing the bank draft of 500 rupees for general category and 250 rupees for SC ST drawn in favor of Principal Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore. The last date for receiving the application is on or before 19th August 2021, and the submission of duly filled application forms along with the testimonials is also 19th August 2021 evening 4:30. And coming to the qualification details, okay, so just click on this one and then it will be directed to the qualifications required for these positions, guys. So civil engineering, aeronautical as well as electrical engineering, BTech or MTech. BTech and MTech. PhD holders are preferable, but PhD is not the mandatory. Okay. And coming to the mathematics, BSc, MSc with first class, PhD and a NET or SLET qualification are preferred. And coming to the humanities and social sciences, IPR, LLM, okay, law. And applications can be obtained from the office, or else you can apply through the official website also, guys. Okay, so but you have to take the demand draft. Okay, so here the last date for receiving the application is on or before 19th August 2021. Okay, so I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so to get the accurate and more details, you once visit the official website, and if you are interested and eligible to that notification. And coming to the next one is Indian Institute of Information Technology from Allahabad. So here the recruitment notification is announced from this one. So just click on this one and then you will be directed to the this one, guys, notification. And here the non-teaching vacancies are there in the administrative and the technical cadre. And you may check down the junior technical superintendent and the junior superintendent, junior engineer civil and junior assistant. And as per the caste category wise also the number of vacancies are mentioned, and here the pay matrix is the level 6. And yeah, age limitations are also mentioned here. And I will show you the qualifications, guys. Essential qualification for the junior technical superintendent, so BTech, IT, MSc in IT or MCA degree, at least 5 years of experience. And the junior superintendent, first class bachelor's degree, at least 6 years of experience in relevant area. And junior engineer civil, degree in civil engineering with 2 years of experience, or else a diploma with 5 years of experience. And a junior assistant, bachelor's degree with knowledge of computer operations, it is essential one. So any bachelor's degree, guys, any bachelor's degree, if you are having the computer knowledge, then you can apply for this one. Okay, so few more instructions are provided here. So if you are interested, you may go through this one, guys. So application fee is 1,000 rupees. And SC, ST, PWDs and female candidates are required to pay half of the application fee, that is 500 rupees. Okay, and the candidates are required to apply online from 28th July 2021 to 24/9/2021 up to midnight. And the application sent in hard copy shall not be entertained in any case. So here the only online application, no need to send the hard copies. And here the online application link is also there. You may check down, guys. and I will provide this link here. And one more point, the printout of completed application along with all relevant supported documents duly self-attested must reach the institute on or before 30th-9/2021 through speed post or the registered post. Okay, so both these 2 points are important. You have to apply online with the help of this link, and you have to send the hard copies also, okay, by 30th-9/2021 by speed post or the registered post. Okay, so to get the accurate and more details, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the next one is Motilal Nehru Institute, National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. So here the temporary faculty recruitment is there. And coming to here, the list of shortlisted candidates and date of interview will be announced in the website itself. Okay, and interested and eligible candidates are requested to fill the form in prescribed pro forma and send the scanned copy along with necessary documents to the email ID of the respective department as provided in the advertisement up to 17th August 2021. Okay, so total here the 32 vacancies are there, and departments are applied mechanics, civil engineering, computer science, electrical, mechanical, and a School of Management Studies in accounting, financial management, strategic management, operations management, and the system management. So essential qualification for the engineering departments, BTech and the MTech. PhD is not mandatory, but while coming to the School of Management Studies, MBA and PhD is required. Okay, and coming to the honorarium, MTech in engineering will get the 40,000 to 45,000 rupees per month, and the PhD in humanities, science or management will get the 40,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. And if the candidates are having the PhD in engineering, they will get the 50,000 to 55,000 rupees per month. Okay, and here the online schedule of interview is also provided here, so you may check down. Interested candidates as per the corresponding department, here the mail IDs are also provided, so you may check down, guys. And the list of shortlisted candidates published on the official website on 25th/8/2021, and the date of interview tentatively on 1 to 4 September 2021. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so please check out the few more details, guys, and application form is also attached here. Okay, and coming to the next one, so it is the next college, Mahapurusha Srimanta Vishwavidyalaya, Sankaradeva Vishwavidyalaya, and in this one we got the recruitment notification regarding the associate and assistant professor in the Department of Management, Accountancy and Finance under the Commerce Department, and qualifications as per the UGC 2018 regulations, and assistant professor in the Sociology and Northeast Studies and Shankaradeva Studies and the Social Work, and the Department of Performing Arts, and the personal secretary to Vice Chancellor also required. So for this one, any master's degree with 55% and stenography must be there. Okay, so a few other general terms and conditions are given here, you may check out, guys. And the application form is available in the official website itself, and the candidates has to require to pay an amount of 2,000 rupees. Okay, and 1,000 rupees only for as the serial number 7 by the demand draft in favor of register, and the last date is 25th August 2021. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the university job vacancies, guys. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.